Is LearnWorlds worth it? That's the big question a lot of people are asking, and if you're here, you probably want to know if this platform is the right fit for your online course business. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to dive into LearnWorlds and give you the good, the bad, and the ugly, so stick around until the end, where I'll tell you about some powerful alternatives that might actually be better for what you need. Trust me, you'll want to hear this. First off, let's talk about the user interface. LearnWorlds comes with a clean and modern design, which is definitely a plus. It's easy to get started, and there are plenty of templates to help you build your courses without needing a tech background. But here's the thing, while it's simple, it's also not the most intuitive platform when you get into more advanced features. Some users find themselves spending more time than expected just to figure out how to set up a few things, especially when it comes to customizing their courses. And if you're someone who values a truly seamless experience, this might be a bit of a headache. Next thing, let's talk about features. LearnWorlds has a lot going for it with a wide range of course creation tools, interactive video options, and customizable quizzes. But it's not all smooth sailing. The platform does offer a lot, but it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're just starting out. If you're looking for simplicity and speed, some of these features might feel like overkill. For example, their video tools are great for engagement, but can be tricky to set up if you're not familiar with the process. The third thing I want to mention is pricing. LearnWorlds has a few different pricing plans, and while it's not the most expensive course platform out there, it does get pricey as you scale up. Plus, many of the more advanced features, like white labeling and additional integrations, are locked behind higher tier plans. So, if you're on a tight budget or just starting, that could be a barrier. Now, let's look at customer support. LearnWorlds does offer support, but there's a catch. Responses can sometimes be slow, especially if you're on a lower tier plan. There's a lot of reliance on documentation, and while the guides are helpful, they might not be enough if you're stuck and need immediate help. Some users have mentioned this as a deal breaker, especially when dealing with course launch timelines. And here's the open loop I promised. You're probably wondering, is there something better out there? Well, yes. While LearnWorlds does have a lot to offer, there are a couple of platforms that might be more in line with your goals, particularly if you're focused on a smoother user experience or better customer service. I'll be telling you all about them in just a minute. Before I get into that, I do want to mention that I've secured an exclusive, extended free trial for LearnWorlds through the link in the description. So, if you decide to give it a shot, you'll get access to some added benefits that aren't available anywhere else. However, as promised, I'll also tell you about other platforms that might serve you better, and they come with free trials too, so you can explore your options risk-free. Stick around until the end, and you'll see which alternatives I recommend that might just be a better fit for what you're trying to accomplish.